Hero, do you want to play a game?
Okay.
I've seen you in the past. You've treated others like crap. Your family members are ashamed of you for masturbating to their porno. Now you must play this game, and the only antidote you have is a lubricant on the right side. But in order for you to get that lubricant, you have to watch two girls blood cup while masturbating with your hand dry. Now, you must play the game, and you only have one chance to live. Live or die, make your choice.
Borderlands or something.
Whenever I fucking first put it on, everyone was staring at it. It's like, hold on, let me come over there and look at it. Wow, what a dude.
Look at that muted.
EC was
Oh, yeah! You guys up before you. Yeah! Yeah, where's you got on me, so retarded.
Wow, that's not annoying.
Me. Yeah! Wow. Oh, I don't want to play on shitty underpass.
Hello, soldier.
Wow, you're fucked up. I'm just gonna mute everyone because they're gay.
Soldier, I've seen from the past that you have cheated on your past girlfriends. Am I correct?
Shut the fuck up.
Mr. X, I also know about you. I know for a fact that you're a
Shut the
lefty.
fuck up, I can't even understand what you're saying.
Then why don't you take the cup out of your ear and maybe pay attention to the words that are coming out of my mouth? You have only one chance to live, because we're playing Search and Destroy, of course.
Wow, Charles.
So live or die, make your choice.
Oh, I'm using a...
Yeah, you're probably right. I think that's your answer. What we got. I'm not gonna have that. Ed, my God. I'm about to block him out. Wow, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm blocking him out. I'm blocking him out. No, some random guy.
Hello, Slimman. Do you want to play a game?
Not who, what, where?
Listen, you are in this room right now, handcuffed in a cell, because of what you've done in the past. Now you only have one chance to live, so it's live or die. Make your